Happy Thursday, guys. Welcome back to another online chapter of Learning with me, Molina. So today we're going to go into classwork, and the first thing that I need you to do is scroll down to Figurative Language Assignment and click on Personification Hyperbole Practice. And this one is combining personification and hyperbole. Remember, personification is when you give an object or an idea human traits. Like, the sun smiled. The sun can't smile because it's not human. A hyperbole is when you exaggerate or you want to add to the story. Like, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. I'm not that hungry that I could eat a horse. I'm just trying to say that I'm really hungry. Okay. So your directions say, identify if the sentence uses personification or a hyperbole. For example, the door protested as it opened slowly. Well, a door can't protest because it doesn't have mouths or a mind, so therefore that's personification. So you type in personification. Number 2, or example 2, it took forever to find you. Obviously, if you look for someone forever, you would still be looking. So I'm just exaggerating the amount of time it took. So that would be a hyperbole. Okay? And for those of you who actually follow along and do the video, we're going to do number 1 together. And it's Rita heard the last piece of pie calling her name. Is it hyperbole or personification? Well, Rita heard the last pie of calling her name. So we know a pie doesn't have a mouth, so it can't call. So we know that would be personification. We are giving the ability for the pie to talk. So you'd go in there and type personification. And that's all that you would be doing for today. Okay? After you get through all 4 of those, you are going to scroll up. And you are going to go to Number the Stars chapters, and we are on chapter 15 today. And you have 2 options once again. You can either read chapter 15 on your own, or read it out loud with your family if that's what you have been doing. Or, once again, you can listen to my wonderful, angelic, almost Beyonce voice read to you for 9 minutes. After you get done doing that, then you are done for the day with me. Okay? Remember, if you're falling behind on any assignments, I'm not taking points off, so just make sure you get them turned in. I love and miss you all, and we will see you back here for another exciting episode on Friday. Have a great rest of your day.